Got an AAC audio file and need to play it on your device or convert to another format? This is one of the most common audio formats today, used everywhere. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening advanced audio coding files. My experience tells me that some AAC files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. Files are advanced audio coding files providing high-quality lossy audio compression. Developed as the successor to MP3, they offer better sound quality at similar bit rates and are used extensively by Apple iTunes, YouTube streaming services, and digital audio broadcasting. AAC files use the MPEG-4 Part 3 audio coding standard with various profiles, including LC HE-AAC and HE-AACv2. The format supports sample rates up to 96 kHz multichannel audio and bit rates from 8 to 320 kbps with efficient psychoacoustic compression for high-quality audio reproduction. Apple iTunes, engineered by Apple, is the application of choice for AAC. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows can play these files, but modifying structure or quality requires editing software. Open the menu by right-clicking your AAC file and choosing Open With. Test Apple iTunes if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the AAC file differently. If your AAC file will not open, do not worry. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your AAC file. First, playing in media players. Most modern media players, including VLC Windows Media Player iTunes and Apple Music, play AAC files natively. Double-click the AAC file to open in your default media player, or right-click and choose Open With for specific applications. Mobile devices also play AAC files without additional software. Next, converting to other formats. Use audio conversion tools like Audacity Handbrake or online converters to transform AAC files to MP3, WAV, FLAC, or other formats. This enables compatibility with older devices or applications that don't support AAC. FFmpeg provides command line conversion for batch processing and automation. Finally, editing AAC audio. Open AAC files in audio editors like Audacity, which decodes the format for editing. Apply effects, trim clips, and mix tracks. Then export to AAC or other formats. For professional work use, Adobe Audition or Logic Pro, which provide advanced AAC editing and mastering capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.